Today on Flowing Jack, we're unboxing these Raxiom Gen 5 taillights for the 2005 to 2009 Mustang GT. Now these taillights have the LED with a sequential turn signal, so it does the 3 bars. And let's see what they look like. I got these from AmericanMuscle.com. They were $350. Hopefully they show that they're really worth the $350. Now that we got the box open, you can see that it's held in by a piece of foam there, and a piece of soft foam there, a piece of foam under it, and a piece of foam right on the side, up front. Then a bubble wrap bag. And there you can see it looks really good. Looks just like the 5th gen, the 2013-2014 taillight. Looks like it's just a plug and play. Right there's the cord. So pretty nice, easy. You can see the ballast right there. So it has a little piece of 3M tape on the back. This box has paperwork in it. Has a little sheet. It says Raxiom taillights, and it looks like it just tells you how to install them. Should be pretty easy install. Probably takes less than 5 minutes to do. Foam. Yep. Looks just like the other one. Just like the 2013-2014 taillight with the blackout with the red there, that smoke. So let's go put these on the car. So the first thing you want to do is open your trunk when installing the taillights. So you open the trunk. Oh, that explains why there's a rattling noise. I've been wondering why every time I take a hard turn or brake hard, that there's a clunk noise. My golf clubs were in the trunk. Okay, so once you have it like this, you're gonna want to take a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. It says in the description. So that's what I got right here, and you wanna pry up the backing of this to get the new taillights in. So what I'm gonna do, just to make it a little easier for myself here, is I'm gonna take out my carpeting. Now that I got my carpeting out, I have a lot easier access to this thing. So there's a little screw over on the other side, like right here. But on the other side, undo that. You just pull it off, and then you got these 2 clips. You got a clip here, and you got a clip here. Pop those up, and then you're able to get this panel up and out. Yeah. 2 more clips, so one right here, and then one on the opposing side, right there. Pop those out, same deal. Now you get this cover off. So you got a screw here, screw right there, and a screw down right there. So undo those screws, and then you'll be able to get the taillight out. They're 11mm bolts, so all you gotta do is just undo them. So now I got the 3 bolts out, and should be able to pull the taillight right out. So you gotta do that. Pull that out. And there you remove your old shitty taillight. I mean, whoever designed this should be ashamed of themselves, because just look at this. It looks like a Tupperware container. I mean, that's disgusting. And then you look at this and you're just like, yeah, that's a lot better. You got the smoked out with the blackout tail lights, LEDs, sequential. Gonna mount this with 3M tape just like that against the back, just so I don't know what's for, but just gonna mount it there. It seems like it should go there. You got it just mounted like that, and hopefully it works. I don't know if that's actually where it's supposed to go. So we'll find out shortly. You got the new wire right there. Put the wire in. You got to make sure the lip of this, the gasket here gets across the metal, so it makes a good weather-tight seal. And now you can take the headlight, or tail light, I mean. Make sure you line it up with all the holes, and then insert. I don't think the placement of this was a good idea here, so I'm going to actually move it, put it right here, up there, because that seems like it's totally out of the way now. Because I think what happened before was this was blocking where the metal is right here, and I think it was hitting, so let's try this again. Okay, now that feels right. It's just nice and tight in there. So going now to the 11mm. Take your 3 bolts and then insert them into the back again, and then should be mounted. Make sure you tighten these bolts down, because when I got this car, the bolt up here was not all the way in, and it would rattle. And so then I just looked at it one day, and then I noticed like this bolt was almost all the way off. So now, as you can see, it's nice and tight. It's not moving at all. Now just do the same to the other side. So when you press the lock button, it does it in the 3 parts. So as you can see, they look really good. I really love the way they look with the black on the black on the black. So totally, I think it's completely worth it. They look so much more modern. They look a lot better. So I definitely buy.